I'm at work. I know. I'm at work. 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 I'm at work. Keep 'em up for blind. I'm at work. I'm at work. John Island. I'm at work. I'm at work. Old boys. I'm at work. I'm at work. Old boys. Work. 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 Working. Work. 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 Working. Work. 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 Working. Work. 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 Working. Damn, my boss be trippin'. Got an iced out mug with coffee in it. Wake up early and mad from the sound of the alarm, like the new Xerox. Just touch it and turn it on. When the ink starts bleeding for no basic reason. Not my fault. Lunch break, I'm leaving. They like, where you going with that blue man purse? I said, none of your concern. Then I ran back to work. Hopped on the train, already late. Tried to call out, but ain't had no sick days. Pulled up to my cubicle, tucked my shirt in. The week's just started, everybody's working. We be working to the right, working to the left. I probably end up quitting cause I'm getting mad stressed. My boss wants me to do a dub, and it's something the whole floor heard, but all I could hear was wah, 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 wah. I'm off this week and I ain't doing no double. I'm at work, I ain't never lie. I'ma slip and fall, then get paid till I die. I'm at work, I know. I'm at work, I know. I'm at work, I know. I'm at work, I hate it. I'm at work, I know. I'm at work, I know. I'm at work, I know. I'm at work, I hate it. I'm at work, 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 working, work, 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 working, work, 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 working, work, 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 working.
I hate my boss, can't stand my job. The economy sucks, so I gotta work hard. Got a cubicle that's small at the end of the hall. My boss on my back when I make a phone call. I'm at peace when I hang far away from my work. When I'm at the office, they treat me like a jerk. See the guy that sits at the desk next to mine, he does no work and he steals my shine. He's cheesing and teasing, man, cut me some slack. All these people in the office, get off my back. Had a flat on my ride, so I had to take the bus. Get in a minute late, now they wanna start stuff. At being my co-workers are the best. Can't get it up at home cause I'm so damn stressed. I tell my girl all the time it's because I'm at work, but now she's sleeping with him and damn I'm hurt. Wah, 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 wah. Why they tripping on a guy like me? I'm at work, I ain't gonna lie. When they turn they back, I'ma steal some supplies. I'm at work, I'm at work, I know. I'm at work, I know. I'm at work, I hate it. I'm at work, I know. I'm at work, I know. I'm at work, I know. I'm at work, I hate it. I'm at work, 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 working, work, 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 working, work, 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 working, work, 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 working. I'm at work.